All right, today's the last day I'm going to deal with this black bin right here. So we always disconnect power and pack up our cord. Not the end of the world, but this bin takes up precious space in the back of the truck, and we have the new MorRyde cord reel. We're going to get that installed, and this will be no more. Okay, so we have a solution to the problem of always having to pack up the RV power cord. Today we're doing an install of our MorRyde Motorized Easy Reel, and so this is going to be where our power cord will be housed. It will reel up on here each time we are traveling. This eliminates the need for that red bin that I showed you earlier, and so we're going to install this today. I'll encourage you, measure once, cut twice. No, measure twice, cut once. That's where I messed up. All right, so you can see that I have the wrong lengths of cord, but what we're gonna have to do is you have to wire it to a power source. I'm gonna wire it straight to the battery. I've got some lugs here to connect to the battery, but you also have to install an fuse. So a 10 amp fuse, I'm gonna install this inline fuse that takes one of these, and I'm gonna get all this put together, and then we'll take you around for the install. All right, I've got our wires put together. The fuse is ready to be put in. It's not in yet, but we're gonna have it located right here. So I have drilled a hole down here. We're getting ready to fish the wires through that hole, route them around to the battery compartment, and we'll hook it up, make sure we have power, and then I'll secure it to the floor in the RV. So we should be done fairly soon, fingers crossed. We ran the wires through out right here, and I have connected them here to our battery bank. So we're all set there. I have this fuse. I need to go pop this fuse in my little inline fuse holder, and then if all goes as planned, it should turn. Here's to hoping. What? It never works on the first try. Yes. So there's 8 screws included, and I'm gonna put them in right in these spots. The only problem with that is I have to get back there, and my drill won't fit down in there because of where it is. So you have to get kind of creative. This will go in the drill. This will go in to extend it. This will go in to reduce it. I say that. That'll go in to reduce it. This will go on, and then my drill bit can slide in there. So sometimes you got to get creative. Do all 4 of these before I get to the hard side. I think I can get to these back ones. One down, one to go. I'm quite sure there's a tool that's made for this. I just don't have it. I'm using a socket to hold a drill bit to hold a screw.
Side?
Nope, I got it. Mission accomplished. All right, I have not tried this yet, so here goes nothing. The way they instruct you to do this, insert this through the middle, slide it over to the side. Hold on, I saw one tip online. I think I'm going to take advantage of it. I like it. There you have it. This is a 30-foot, 50-amp power cord. Stored nice and neat right there. We'll be ready to go when we arrive at our next destination. We've arrived at our spot. Cord reel intact. The blue knob, you twist it. You can also use the power to pull it out, but this is simpler and easier. Quicker. Boom, we're done.